अब रुलाओगे क्या? Hi guys, welcome to a brand new video. I am Dr. Vishal and welcome to the channel. So generally Indian medical series have never really impressed me. However, this particular series which came out recently on YouTube by Dice Media, it's called Operation MBBS, the second season, changed my mind and I binged watched pretty much all of it. However, I never made a video discussing or talking or reacting to it as such. So today I thought I will watch the latest episode for the first time with you guys and tell you some thoughts and explain something in between if I can. This video will be in a mix of English and Hindi because that is what I am generally comfortable talking in. So without any further ado, let's begin.
Hello ma'am, how are you feeling?
I'm good, doctor. How are you?
I'm good ma'am. SpO2 98 है, टेम्परेचर चेक कर लेते हैं. हाई फीवर है आपको?
SpO2 पहले भी इसी रेंज में था. फीवर के लिए पैरासिटामोल ले रही हूँ.
ओके.
कितने पेशेंट्स डिस्चार्ज हुए?
अराउंड 3.
और एडमिट?
30.
इस हफ्ते डॉक्टर म्हात्रे की ड्यूटी थी ना?
हाँ मैम, बट डॉक्टर मात्रे has tested positive.
So SpO2 of 98 is still a reasonable number to have at home. I think because of the corona pandemic, everybody has become aware of some body parameters which generally people did not know about.
वो भी रोटी वहाँ में था.
हाँ मैम, और कोई ऑप्शन भी नहीं है ना. नहीं मैम, you take care. I'll come later. Yeah?
Thanks.
So this OT gown thing has been a replacement for PPE kits in real life also. In my duty, in a lot of other places, I have personally seen, I have also experienced this, that once PPE kits get over, जो hospital के OT gowns हैं, they are the next best thing which are used. It is a sad reality.
रिसेंटली किसी ने मुझे हिपोक्रेटिक ओथ की याद दिलाई. एज डॉक्टर्स हमने सब MBBS की शुरुआत में ये ओथ ली है, नोइंग दैट कि हमें बहुत सारे सैक्रिफाइसेस करने पड़ेंगे, बहुत सारे हार्डशिप से गुजरना पड़ेगा.
This is very important and it also reminds me of the teachers which I had in my college. To keep doctors in training motivated is a feat that not all teachers can achieve. Reminds me closely of how army generals motivate their battalions and how they keep things running in spite of all the adversities. And I think this is a very common thread which runs across all good teachers and leaders, that they are able to motivate their team when there is a dire need for them to act.
Let us live up to that tag. I know it's a big ask, but this is the time to follow the oath to the letter. इसी दिन के लिए तो ये डिग्री ली थी. But do not forget that we survived the most demanding courses and we are part of a profession which is the toughest in the world. MBBS has made us all prepared for everything. तो ये वायरस को तो हरा ही सकते हैं. I know you all are mentally tired, physically drained, away from your loved ones. But know that this too shall pass. We all will come out of this on the other side, stronger and prepared for anything coming our way. And I want all of us to see that day together. Take care. Be strong. Thank you very much, my fellow doctors.
A great speech. Only one thing I have to say, that MBBS does not prepare you for everything. So वहाँ पे वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया. But otherwise, yes, for every word that she said, it is true and I agree with all of it.
पैसे लौटा देंगे।
हाँ, अरे परेशान मत हो यार, कोई मदद चाहिए तो बता देना। हाँ,
संभाल लेंगे।
तो लता से बात करो। निशांत,
पापा अभी ना अन अकेडमी पे मेरा लाइव कॉम्बैट सेशन चल रहा है, तो मैं अभी बात नहीं कर सकती।
अरे हम लोग पढ़ाई कर रही है, बाद में बात करते ना, ठीक है? हाँ, अपना ध्यान रखो।
जी अंकल, चलिए रखते हैं।
बाय, और आते हैं ना बेटा।
With the help of these new apps which have come up, I have realized that they tap deep into your psyche, or these mental games that you play in order to keep yourself motivated to study harder is something new which is happening, which was not there back in the day when everybody would study with the help of just books and notepads and papers.
शुभ शुभ बोल भाई।
सर मैगी कितने की?
मैगी 50। ये ले।
सर बाहर तो 12 की मिलती है।
तो बाहर से लेकर आ। हाँ, अरे नहीं नहीं सुन, और मेरे लिए भी लेकर आइए, मेरा स्टॉक खत्म हो रहा है ना। चलो अभी जा इधर।
एक काम करो, 2 ही दे दो।
क्या आगे लाइन पे हैं? ये ले। चल आजा रोहित, कैसे तेरे को? These capitalists, I tell you। और
सबका ये ठेला यादव ने लगवाया है। यादव को अच्छे से पता है कैसे क्राइसिस को अपॉर्चुनिटी बदलते हैं। इसका बस चले ना, पीपी भी डबल रेट में बेचेगा।
चलते हैं यहाँ से। क्या
एक चीज वाले बोल रहे थे कि अपने हॉस्पिटल में पीपी किट की शॉर्टेज है।
शॉर्टेज?
हाँ,
This actually happened, and not just in medical colleges. I believe this hoarding of PPE kit and mask and food happened in real life, and I think by this point we are all well aware of it. हम सब ने ये दिन देखे हैं, लाइव जी है जहाँ पे कि चीज़ें बचा बचा के सबने अपने घर पे रखी हैं इन द इवेंट कि क्या पता कल मिले या ना मिले।
हेलो विनय सर।
अरे निशांत भाई, क्या हाल है? क्या हाल है?
सब बढ़िया सर।
अच्छा, वो पैसे सारे ट्रांसफर हो गए थे क्या?
सर बस उसी सिलसिले में आपको फ़ोन किया।
अरे यार पर्वतकर सर मुझसे ना बहुत बार पूछ चुके हैं।
जी सर, अगर हमारी बात आप पर्वतकर सर से एक बार करा सकते तो।
बात क्यों?
हो गया ना, हमें उन्हें एक प्रपोजल देना है।
वाह वाह वाह, ये तो मैं पहली बार ही सुन रहा हूँ। पैसे रिटर्न करने का प्रपोजल कौन आता है भाई?
सर देखिए ना सर, प्लीज़ एक छोटा सा कॉल है, प्लीज़ करवा दीजिए प्लीज़।
ना हो ही नहीं पाएगा। अरे पर्वतकर सर बहुत बिजी आदमी है, पता नहीं क्या तुम्हें?
नहीं हो पाएगा?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं हो पाएगा, चांस ही नहीं है।
गजेंद्र अंकल वो कह रहे नहीं हो पाएगा।
अरे हमने पहले ही कहा था, मैंने एक नंबर का नालायक है, बेवकूफ, उल्लू का पट्टा, कोई काम ठीक से नहीं करता। हमारे मैनेजर को फोन लगाओ, हो जाएगा।
अच्छा, तो आप कह रहे कि आपका मैनेजर करेगा तो हो जाएगा?
हाँ।
अच्छा। विनय सर वो कह रहे हैं कि
हाँ ठीक है ठीक है। हाँ देखते हैं हम, चलो देखते हैं। हाँ
ठीक है सर, चलिए गुड डे।
Throughout the series, I love this guy's presence of mind, and I think it helps to be this street smart, not just in medicine but in any profession, but especially in medicine, because you have to think on your feet all the time when you're talking to the patient, when you are in middle of a surgery, when you are in the middle of an emergency or complication. The more you can think in the moment, the more witty or street smart that you are, it always works in your favor, and that is what I like about this guy a lot.
मैं बोला था सब गधे होते हैं।
बैटिंग हम करें।
अपनी बैटिंग अभी चलो।
अरे बैटिंग तो मैं करेगा ना भाई।
डॉक्टर तिवारी, कॉन्फिडेंस टीचर, आई थिंक इनको ऐसे में शिफ्ट करना पड़ेगा। फास्ट करिए। रन।
Come on, fast. Move aside.
Okay, so in real life, what he did was actually wasting a little time by going ma'am again and again. A real doctor in that situation is trained enough to check the monitor, check the vitals, quickly call for help, and if there's no one, then do whatever is necessary with his own 2 hands.
हेलो ओके सर, धन्यवाद हमें समय देने के लिए।
निशांत राइट?
जी।
निशांत, तुम्हें पता है मैंने ये मीटिंग की अपॉइंटमेंट तुम्हें क्यों दी? Because I like the way you manipulated my management.
This Casey fellow is by far the most favorite guy in the show. वो मतलब उसके टेक्निक्स काम करते हैं, बाकी वो पढ़ाई में चाहे जैसा भी हो, मतलब लेकिन एकदम सही बंदा है। एक मतलब ऐसा दोस्त होना चाहिए।
दोनों के लिए चीज चिली टोस्ट।
थैंक यू। लीजिए।
This cheese chili toast is a real thing, and I don't know if some insider has told them that it is a very common thing to be found in medical colleges, but I was a big fan. I'm still a big fan of cheese chili toast, and cheese chili toast takes me back to my MBBS instantly. So kudos to the team who has done such solid research that they could pick it up.
रहने दो बेटा।
नहीं अंकल, रखिए। मम्मी, would you be disappointed if I don't give you assembly?
बेटा, तुम्हारे लिए ही अच्छा है।
Yeah, but would you be unhappy?
इसमें अनहैप्पी होने की क्या बात है? इमेजिन यूएस में प्रैक्टिस करोगी तो तुम्हारा ही फ्यूचर सेट होगा ना।
Will you love me less?
ऐसी कैसी बातें कर रही हो बेटा? Of course not. I'm only doing what's best for you.
Mummy, I have to tell you something.
हाँ,
All the right questions, like you should note these questions down and ask at your home, like today.
बोलो ना।
I have anxiety.
बेटा, anxious तो सभी होते हैं।
Mummy, I had a panic attack before the exam.
What? माँ, बताया क्यों नहीं?
Mummy, I say this with a lot of respect. But please, just let me be.
पर बेटा, मैं तो बस तुम्हारे भले के लिए तो ये सब
Mummy,
I think this is the story of a lot of Indian households. That is why the series is so popular. That is why it is so relatable. That students who reach medicine are by far they are put on a pedestal. That you are like the shining honor of our family, and this puts them under a lot of pressure. They have to perform no matter what, and it manifests, I guess, in the form of anxiety as well. So yeah, but this is a story which happens so often that I cannot explain you enough.
आपको खुश करने के चक्कर में I think I've lost my way.
माँ,
It's not your fault. I know you only wanted the best for me.
So yeah, I think while watching this, if any one of you has similar feelings, then it is high time that you reach out to somebody, a friend or a psychologist or somebody who can help you, give you an unbiased opinion. The point is to open up the topic and get somebody to talk about it, maybe some elder senior, some friend who can explain it to you, your parents, that what exactly are your feelings about MBBS, India, abroad, so on and so forth. So if nothing from this video, the message is that go and talk about it. It takes courage, it makes you scared, but it is something worth doing.
But Mummy, let me please figure out my life. मुझे अब रियलाइज हो रहा है that I'm scared to disappoint you.
फिगर आउट माई लाइफ वाली जो चीज़ है, ये MBBS स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत कम अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है ये करने की, बिकॉज MBBS इज़ सच अ स्टैंडर्ड प्रोफेशन कि उसका फ्यूचर और पास जो है वो इतने सालों से जो स्ट्रक्चर बना हुआ है उसमें वो एकदम एकदम फिट हो गया, एकदम सेट हो गया. इट इज़ लाइक रिटन इन स्टोन कि आप MBBS करोगे, फिर आप पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन करोगे, फिर आप जॉब करोगे, फिर इतनी सैलरी होगी, तो आपकी शादी होगी, तो ये होगा, तो वो होगा, तो मतलब पूरी लाइफ सेट हो जाएगी. तो ये इतने सालों से एकदम सेम टू सेम चलता आ रहा है कि अब वो एक ट्रेडिशन सा बन गया है. तो उसमें फिगर आउट करने की आपको ज़्यादा चांस और अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलती है. इफ़ यू आर समबडी हु इज़ trying to figure out or has similar ideas, then I think you will face a lot of resistance from friends and family, but this is expected. This is normal. Feeling the resistance is normal. You should take that in your stride and go out and seek help and try to solve it rather than sit and suffer it in silence.
Come on, doctor, fast.
Yes, doctor.
ये बेड सेटअप करो. चेक ऑक्सीजन लेवल्स. क्या हुआ? व्हाट हैपेंड? SpO2 75 है. वी आर लूजिंग इट. वी हैव टू इंट्यूबेट immediately. Get the kit for intubation. Fast.
Yes, doctor.
75 is bad. Like it is a real emergency. इनको थोड़ा और फास्ट चीज़ें होती हुई दिखानी चाहिए थी. Of course, this is not a documentary. It is made for dramatic effort. But here is the time where you can show actual swift, what do you say, emergency response to a problem, a symptom.
Give me break too.
Saturation level is falling.
Short neck. I can't see मेरी shield.
Short neck is such a correct term which is so commonly used in hospitals every day. I just appreciate the people who have given them the guidance and the script and everything.
कुछ नहीं दिख रहा.
Use bread for.
Is that not? Break for the fast. SpO2 is falling. We have no time for tracheostomy. कोई और intensivist available है?
What's wrong? I'm short neck है.
Okay, just so you know, if you cannot intubate, tracheostomy is the next thing you do, and there is no such thing as no time for tracheostomy. The dictum is that if you think of tracheostomy, you have to do the tracheostomy. So what is actually taught in emergency medicine or in MBBS is that as soon as you get the thought of doing tracheostomy, it means that tracheostomy needs to be done at that time. You don't have real time to assess and plan because it is an emergency procedure. Second thing, if you cannot do a tracheostomy, you can do something called as cricothyroidotomy. Both are similar procedures, but if you don't even have time for that, you do a cricothyroidotomy. What the most simplest or the most relatable example which you must have heard is that कि किसी के गले में अगर आप वो जो पेन की रिफिल होती है, जो पेन का जो प्लास्टिक का ट्यूब होता है, वो आपने अगर किसी के गले में डाल दिया, इट लुक्स वेरी ब्रूटल बट एट टाइम्स इट कैन सेव लाइफ. तो ये एक एग्जांपल है जो कि कई मूवीज़ में दिखाया गया है, मुझे याद नहीं आ रही कौन सी मूवी या कहीं नॉवल में है, कि आप गले में एक छेद अगर सिर्फ कर दो जिससे कि ऑक्सीजन जा सकता है या आपके एडम्स एप्पल के नीचे, तो भी काम हो जाता है, लोगों की जान एक्चुअली उससे बच सकती है. इनफैक्ट देयर इज अ की चेन विच आई रिमेंबर आई सॉ मैनी ईयर्स बैक व्हेन आई वाज रिसर्चिंग फॉर अ प्रोजेक्ट, कि ऐसी की चेन आती है, आई डोंट नो इंडिया में मिलती है कि नहीं, बट इट हैज़ अ ट्यूब, अ क्रिकोथायरोडोटॉमी ट्यूब अटैच टू इट विच कैन बी यूज्ड इन emergency situations. You just have to put it on your finger and punch it in the neck so that somebody who is not getting oxygen will get a sudden surge of oxygen and probably you will save a life.
Try this one again. Come on, quickly. What's wrong? डॉक्टर को कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है.
I'm not able to see. Mandible is very small.
Saturation level is falling.
Check for fluid filter.
हटो, हटो.
This lady is like Master Shifu of the hospital. She can do anything with a clear, calm head. I think that is the ultimate any doctor tries to achieve. As a surgeon, this is what at least I personally try to achieve, is that to be calm and composed and think straight and think quick under pressure.
Make exhale करो.
Yes, doctor.
Come on, fast.
They should have shown more urgency. I'm waiting for the adrenaline rush to come. This is the time when you need a lot of adrenaline to get into action.
एम्बू लगाओ जल्दी जल्दी
Angle.
चेक ऑक्सीजन लेवल्स
We got it. We got it. Saturation is rising.
मैम वी गॉट इट
I can actually feel every emotion because I've been in that situation before. मतलब मैं अंदर से खुश रहा हूँ. I am getting that sense of achievement which these guys must have felt when you intubate somebody. And this is something which cannot be compensated by money. This is something which will remind you that all your efforts of becoming a doctor were worth it. Honestly, as a doctor, you save a lot of lives, but one thing is that you can never get used to saving lives, two, you never get used to seeing death. These are two both opposite spectrums, but in my personal opinion, you don't get used to either of them. Whenever you save a life, you remember, you are so happy. कोई और आपको थैंक यू बोले ना बोले, पैसे दे ना दे, बट बैक ऑफ द माइंड यू नो कि आपका इतना पढ़ाई करना, डॉक्टर बनना, सब उस दिन के लिए ही था, एंड इट वॉज वर्थ इट.
Hello ma'am, good afternoon. How are you doing ma'am? I'm sure आप बहुत जल्दी ठीक हो जाओगे.
In real life, I've never come across such an incident because the dean of the college is such a high status, such level which is so far away from MBBS students that generally this interaction doesn't happen. My experience is limited to my college, but
Check the pulse.
तो चलिए उधर.
वो सांस लग गया
150. Doctor, no response.
keep doing come on
No response.
come on
Come on.
what happened she's gone no keep trying
Doctor, there is no response.
keep trying. That is what is taught in medical college. Keep trying. You never stop, and people actually come back. You know.
she's gone
And this is the best guy in the whole series, and I dislike her a bit. अब रुलाओगे क्या? I love how it is shot. Those drone shots are really amazing. So that was it for today's guys. A serious but a really well-made episode. I did not expect it to be so intense and so serious. I thought it'll be fun like the other ones. There'll be some chill time in between. But I hope that you got some message out of it. The seriousness, the intensity was not waste, it was not boring, but with a message. And with that, I would like to end today's video. Till then, take care of yourself, wear mask, and keep in touch with your near and dear ones.